did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day. I sat here by Sally. We sat here, we two, and I said, how is we? We have something to do. To eat, to go out, and to call to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. So all we could do was to sit, sit, sit. And we did not like it. No one liked it. And then something went wrong. How that bromate is young. We looked at then we sat him steep in on to man. We looked at and we sat him. The cat in the hat and he said to you, we don't use it here like that. I know is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lo- lots of good fun than in this fun. I know some good games we call play. Say to cat. In the no song near steer, said in the cat of had a lot of good tree. I will show your mother. Then to you will not mind at all in the I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was you of the house for today. But our fish said, no, no, make a cat in the hut. You do not want to play. He shall not be here. He saw a bird, no bee. He, he shall be here when your mother is old. No, no, have no fear, having no fear, said the cat, my trips hard, no bad, said the cat in the hat, we can have, look of good fun in the you wish came, that it caught up, with a fish. But we don't, say the fish. This is no fun at all. Put me down, say the fish. I do not wish to fall. Have no fear, said the cat. I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high.